Hi, I'm Kevin Dewald. I run ProLift Doors in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Being a ProLift owner and combined with my life goals is I really want to control my own destiny. I want to control where I go financially and personally with my family. I want to provide for my family a good lifestyle. I love serving my community. This is a great opportunity for me to serve my community and actually to get a deeper dive down into my community. My past careers, I have not had this type of opportunity. Normally it's traveling outside of the state, that type of thing. Now that's all gone. I'm able to work and focus directly in my community. Last year I actually sponsored 2 Little League teams, which was awesome. I loved it. Went and watched the games with the parents. Parents would thank me for supporting the team. Also had a great time. I bought like 1,000 pieces of bubble gum and brought it to the dugout for one of the games, and the kids thought they had just won the lottery. My family is involved in ProLift. I've been blessed that my son Jack was able to support me in the development. At the beginning of my opening, he is my technician, my initial technician, and he learned the garage door repair and installation, and he's done a great job. Since then, we've grown and expanded and hired more technicians.